I don't think people understand how amazing the pancreas is. This superhero organ is responsible for producing insulin, a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels, and enzymes that break down food. The pancreas plays a crucial role in our overall health. When it's not working properly, it can lead to serious conditions like diabetes and pancreatitis. Besides maintaining a healthy weight and not smoking, the food we eat plays a crucial role. Today, we're diving into 9 superfoods that can save your pancreas from damage. These foods are packed with nutrients that support pancreatic health and may even help prevent chronic diseases. Are you worried about your pancreatic health? These superfoods can make a world of difference. Let's kick things off with a powerful fungus, the reishi mushroom. Reishi mushrooms have been used in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries, and for good reason. These incredible mushrooms, especially in powder form, can work wonders for your body, especially when it comes to soothing pancreatic pain. They contain compounds with potent anti-inflammatory properties, which can be incredibly helpful if you're dealing with pancreatitis. Think of them as tiny warriors fighting to protect your pancreas. The easiest way is to find reishi mushroom powder online or at health food stores. You can add a teaspoon to your morning smoothie, stir it into your yogurt, or even sprinkle some on your oatmeal. Reishi mushrooms make a fantastic tea. Simply add hot water to a teaspoon of the powder, let it steep for a few minutes, and enjoy. Try incorporating them into your diet regularly and see the difference it makes for your pancreas and overall well-being. Next up, we have a sweet and aromatic root that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine, licorice root. Licorice root contains a compound called glycyrrhizin, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These properties make it a valuable ally in the fight against pancreatitis. Studies have shown that licorice root can help reduce pain and swelling associated with pancreatitis, providing much-needed relief. It can also help protect the pancreas from damage caused by toxins and free radicals. You can find licorice root in various forms, including tea, capsules, and extracts. Licorice root tea is a popular choice, offering a soothing and comforting experience. Remember to consult with your doctor before adding licorice root to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Let's talk about the gut-pancreas connection and the role of probiotics in pancreatic health. A healthy gut is crucial for a healthy pancreas. Probiotics are live microorganisms that, when consumed in adequate amounts, provide health benefits to the host. They help keep your gut healthy and can be found in fermented foods or supplements. Probiotics play a crucial role in reducing inflammation throughout the body, including the pancreas. Studies have shown that probiotics can reduce the severity of pancreatitis and improve symptoms such as pain, nausea, and vomiting. You can find probiotics in various fermented foods, such as yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and miso. Look for products that contain live and active cultures for maximum benefits. Remember to consult with your doctor before taking any new supplements, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Let's move on to something sweet, delicious, and incredibly beneficial for your pancreas: blueberries. These tiny treats are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can do wonders for your overall health, especially for your pancreas. Blueberries' antioxidants help protect insulin-producing beta cells from damage caused by free radicals, keeping them healthy and functioning properly. Blueberries can also improve insulin sensitivity, meaning your body can use insulin more effectively to regulate blood sugar levels. This is particularly important for preventing type 2 diabetes. Blueberries are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in countless ways. Add them to your morning smoothies, sprinkle them on your oatmeal or yogurt, or enjoy them as a snack. Remember, incorporating blueberries into your diet is a simple yet effective way to show your pancreas some love and support its health. Let's move on to a spice that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine and is known for its vibrant color and incredible health benefits: turmeric. This golden spice contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which is responsible for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin has been shown to protect the pancreas from damage caused by inflammation, oxidative stress, and toxins. It can also help reduce pain and swelling associated with pancreatitis, providing much-needed relief. Studies have shown that curcumin can help improve insulin sensitivity, regulate blood sugar levels, and even reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Turmeric is incredibly versatile and can be added to various dishes. You can add a teaspoon to your smoothies, stir it into your soups and stews, or sprinkle it on roasted vegetables. Remember, incorporating turmeric into your diet is a simple yet effective way to support your pancreatic health and enjoy its numerous benefits. Let's talk about a delicious and versatile root vegetable that can do wonders for your pancreas, the sweet potato. These vibrant orange tubers are not only packed with flavor but also loaded with nutrients that can support pancreatic health. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing spikes and crashes that can put stress on the pancreas. Sweet potatoes are also rich in antioxidants such as beta-carotene and vitamin C, which protect the pancreas from damage caused by free radicals. Including sweet potatoes in your meals can also help keep insulin resistance in check. Sweet potatoes are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in countless ways. Try adding roasted sweet potatoes to your salads, stuffing them with your favorite fillings, or blending them into soups and stews for a creamy texture. Let's explore the pungent power of garlic, a culinary staple that has been recognized for its medicinal properties for centuries. This aromatic bulb is not only a flavor enhancer but also a potent ally in maintaining pancreatic health. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which is responsible for its characteristic pungent odor and numerous health benefits. Allicin has been shown to possess anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antibacterial properties, making it a valuable asset in protecting the pancreas. Garlic supports pancreatic health by improving insulin sensitivity. Studies have shown that garlic consumption can help lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin resistance, reducing the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Garlic is incredibly versatile and can be added to various dishes, both cooked and raw. Add garlic to your stir-fries, soups, stews, sauces, and marinades for a flavor boost and health benefits. Remember, incorporating garlic into your diet is a simple yet effective way to support your pancreatic health and enjoy its numerous benefits. Let's move on to a spice that's been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries and is renowned for its distinct flavor and potent medicinal properties: ginger. This spicy root is not only a culinary delight but also a powerful ally in maintaining pancreatic health. Ginger contains bioactive compounds such as gingerols and shogols, which are responsible for its pungent taste and numerous health benefits. These compounds have been shown to possess anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and anti-cancer properties, making ginger a valuable asset in protecting the pancreas. Ginger supports pancreatic health by reducing inflammation. Studies have shown that ginger can help reduce the severity of pancreatitis and alleviate symptoms such as pain, nausea, and vomiting. Ginger is incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed fresh, dried, powdered, or as an oil. You can grate fresh ginger into stir-fries, soups, and sauces, or add a pinch of ground ginger to your smoothies and baked goods. Remember, incorporating ginger into your diet is a simple yet effective way to support your pancreatic health and enjoy its numerous benefits. Let's talk about the power of green leafy vegetables, the nutritional powerhouses that should be a staple in everyone's diet, especially if you're looking to support pancreatic health. These vibrant vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber, all of which play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy pancreas. Green leafy vegetables such as spinach, kale, collard greens, and Swiss chard are excellent sources of vitamin K, which has been linked to a reduced risk of pancreatic cancer. They are also rich in folate, a B vitamin that plays a vital role in cell growth and development, including the cells of the pancreas. These leafy greens are loaded with antioxidants, such as vitamin C and E, which protect the pancreas from damage caused by free radicals. Green leafy vegetables are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in countless ways. You can add them to your smoothies, salads, soups, stews, or simply sauté them with some garlic and olive oil for a quick and nutritious side dish. Remember, incorporating green leafy vegetables into your diet is a simple yet effective way to support your pancreatic health and enjoy their numerous benefits. So there you have it, 9 incredible superfoods that can help save your pancreas and keep it functioning at its best. Remember, a healthy pancreas is crucial for overall health, And incorporating these foods into your diet is a simple yet powerful way to show it some love. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 of these superfoods into your daily routine, and gradually increase the variety. Experiment with different recipes, explore new flavors, and find what works best for you. Interested in learning more about health? Watch our videos on kidney disease symptoms you shouldn't ignore. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful and subscribe our channel for more tips. Stay healthy.